Hey guys, and happy Friday! Today we are going to do some exploring at Douglas Hart Nature Center. Thank you. Here we go. Do you like the buffaloes? Aw, are you giving him a hug? Go give the baby a hug. That's the baby. Aww. Ho ho ho. I had a feeling you'd like that. You gonna climb? Wow. Oh, you see a bird. You're chasing the bird. Are you gonna get the bird? He's way up there. Oh, he flew away. Bye, birdie. Oh. Wow. Those are pretty. They smell good? Yeah, you lead the way. Oh, you want to climb this ladder, don't you? That's a big step. Big step. Big step. Can you stomp? Stomp. Go splash, splash. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty fun, huh? Snack time. It's always good to take a break. You're playing hard. And Elsie is enjoying her cookies. Can you show me your cookie? As I was cleaning up our trash and putting it in the diaper bag, Elsie spotted her sunglasses. So she just had to have them. So, rocking the shades, drinking the juice. Life's good. We have found the pond. Look, Elsie, I have fish food. We're gonna go feed the fish. Good job. They're getting it. Can you see them? Okay. Oh my goodness. You gonna do more? There you go. Throw it in there. Here, let me help you. Put some right here. There you go. You throw it in. Whoa! What do you think? Yeah. Good job feeding the fish, Elsie. Good job. Yeah. Say la 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 la. Yeah. Good job dancing. Can you jump? Jump. Jump. Can you twirl? Can you twirly twirly? Can you put your boots in that water? Go ahead. You can put your boots in it. Is that fun? Is that a rock? Ewy. Well guys, we had a fantastic time and I hope you did too. Hope you had fun alongside with us. We will see you next week. Elsie, can you say bye? Bye.